Are you someone that prefers a hands-off investing experience, or do you prefer full control over your account? Today, we're going to be talking about copy trading and the 3 best platforms to do it, to decide which one is going to be the best place to put our money. None of this is financial advice, purely educational content only. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. So today, we're going to be comparing eToro, PU Prime, and Fusion markets to decide which one is going to be the easiest and most effective for different types of copy traders. So let's start off with eToro. Now, eToro have a large community and a social style interface. They've got a beginner-friendly layout with much less technical control needed. However, it does not support MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, and it's a lot more on social interaction over detailed strategy data when it comes to copy trading. Now, a quick message from our sponsor today. Basically, we're talking about making money with zero capital here. What does that mean? Well, you could trade with a large amount without actually having to risk money from your own bank account. And you can do that with PU Prime's X-Trader system. Basically, you take an assessment with some money, and then if you pass that test, not only do you keep 80% of the profits, but they're going to fund your account in the future to continue trading. So this is a great way to get going trading large amounts without risking capital from your own bank account. Let's get back to the video. So eToro is great if you just want to follow someone as you would on X or social media platforms, but you are lacking that technicality, that advanced option to really hone in and get nitty-gritty with your investments, to really hone in and fine-tune your settings. Now, next up, we have PU Prime, and this is by far my favorite platform to trade on and to copy trade on as well. The reason for this, it's got a built-in copy trading system with no third-party logins, and this can be fantastic because it's all in one place, and they do have fantastic analytics as well. They have clear strategy filters for return, drawdown, followers, and risk style, depending on the trader that you are following. Also, they have a free demo account available if you do just want to try it out. Link will be in the description. Now, in terms of technicality and customizing your copy settings, these guys are by far the best platform out there, as you can adjust lot size, stop loss, and you can exit trades anytime. They're also compatible with MetaTrader 4 and 5, which is something we didn't see with eToro. Also, they do have their own mobile app, which I consider a massive benefit because you don't need to swap between apps to trade. You have it all in one place. So PU Prime offers more control than I expected, and you can copy strategies and still manage your own risk, which makes it very, very approachable for beginners and advanced traders. Next, we have Fusion markets. Now, these guys do have super low fees and tight spreads, but the copy trading is only available for this platform via another platform that is DupliTrade or AutoTrade from my FX book. This can be problematic and is not as intuitive or friendly to users as something like, say, PU Prime. And in order to use this platform, it is required to use MetaTrader 4 and have some technical knowledge to set it up. So I would say, yes, Fusion is more for experienced traders only, who only and already know how to work with tools like MyFX books and DupliTrade. So not really the best option for first-time traders. So in summary, when comparing eToro, PU Prime, and Fusion markets, it's pretty clear-cut who the winner is. That is PU Prime. The reason for this is eToro is good for beginners, but no way to advance your knowledge base and tinker with your strategies. And then Fusion markets is more for professionals that need experience and technical knowledge with a bunch of different platforms here to actually use it. But when we're talking about PU Prime, the reason why I'm calling it the winner here today is because whether you are a beginner or an advanced trader, PU Prime offer so much to the user, and it's all completely for free. As well as that, they do have a demo trading account. So this is why PU Prime is winning today. You've got all of the analytics, you've got a built-in app, so you don't need to connect it to anything. But if you are more advanced, you do have the option to connect to a bunch of things as well, such as MetaTrader, such as WebTrader, and they even have PU Prime Social as well here. So overall, when comparing these 3 brokers for copy trading, think PU Prime is definitely going to be the winner. Definitely check out the link in the description if you want to sign up and give it a try yourself, because again, they do have that demo trading account, which is completely free to use. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.